Adventure is at the heart of Adventures in Spanish, and we really do aim to foster an insatiable desire within our clients to experience the Spanish-speaking world through a different lens. And we do this by encouraging language acquisition as a method to travel more sustainably. I mean, just think about it. Think about being able to travel to España or Costa Rica or Argentina, actually knowing the language. I mean, such a different travel experience you would have. It would be on so many levels. You would be able to choose more sustainable products when you're out in the mercado. You'll be able to dine in more sustainable restaurants and have the confidence to be able to ask if the food on the menu has been sourced sustainably. You'll be able to check when you're out shopping where your products have come from. You'll be able to talk to the shop owners to get the history of the shop and to learn more about their family. And you're not only that, you'll be able, by shopping locally and by dining out locally, you'll be supporting the local economy, which of course is what it's all about when we travel. You'll be able to take public transport because you'll be feeling so much more confident using your language, your newly found language skills. So you'll be helping the environment there by not adding to the pollution in the place that you're visiting. And you'll be able to visit more off the beaten track locations because you won't need your tour guide and you won't need the staff of the hotel to speak English because you'll be able to speak the local language. At Adventures in Spanish, I am an advocate for language acquisition for sustainable travel. And this year's World Tourism Day has been all about innovation and education and what we can do to help make the world a better place to travel. Not for us today, but for the generations to come. So we've put together, we've designed some bespoke Spanish lessons, and these are designed with the traveller in mind. So whether you're a family of 4 heading off to the Galapagos for Christmas, or maybe you're part of a larger sports team, a rugby team going on tour to Argentina, or a cycling group heading out to Mallorca, and you want to learn the language specific to your trip, get in touch today. Because we've put together 6-week bespoke programs that we've tailor-made to suit you, your destination and your activity. We want to help make the world a more sustainable place for us to travel comfortably and for us to not feel guilty whenever we jump on a plane. Let's see what we can do together to help make the world a better place and to help reduce the negative impact that our trips are having on the planet. We look forward to hearing from you.